In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to insert your trial license, connect to a set of Sage data, and set up a new user account for your Adept tool inside Sage. The first time you run your Adept tool after installation, we click on our Windows Start button, All Programs, Adept Tools, and we're going to select our Purchase Order CSV Import tool. The first screen that pops up when you run is the documentation help file, which we'll close, and you're then presented with the license screen. Because we already have an Adept tool installed on this system, it's populated a couple of the license details. This is how you will see the screen when you first run it. We then pop back to our email that's got our trial license details in. To enter the license details, we suggest that you copy and paste. You can highlight from the L in License to the last character of the license key. Click on Control and C to copy. Move your cursor into the License To box. Click on Control and V to enter the information. The License To serial and license key must match exactly what we have in the email, which is why we suggest that you copy and paste. Once we've entered, we click on OK, and you can see our license type is a trial license expiring in October. We click on OK, and we're presented with the About screen, where you can check for update or continue. We now are presented with the tool screen and a Sage login. We move across to Sage, and we must log in as manager, as this login is the only one that can set up new user accounts. To set up an account, we click on Settings and Access Rights. If you cannot see access rights, click on Company Preferences, enter your password and click on OK. Select the Parameters tab and put a tick in Access Rights. We can now click on Settings and Access Rights. Select New, and in here we're going to use Adept as the username, as we have a feature in our tools to allow you to not create multiple accounts for multiple tool users. We're going to give it a password of Adept, but this is up to you. We strongly suggest that you keep the account to be full access and click on OK. We've now got a username for our Adept tool. We were left with our Sage login. We're going to pop in the credentials that we've just created and click on OK. You can now see that the tool is connected to Sage with a username of Adept. If we click on the menu button and Sage path, we're actually presented with a few options here. During the trial, you may wish to use the practice data or the demonstration data. Last will connect you to the last set of data used on this PC, or Browse will allow you to connect across your network to the data that's required. Thank you for watching.